Hi, my name is Claudia Caldwell. And first of all, I want to say congratulations. Your ketogenic recipes will be in your inbox shortly, and I promise you are going to love these recipes. They are easy to prepare and highly effective. But stop! Today, my blog is celebrating its anniversary, and as part of the celebration, I have a super special gift for you. If you've already made the decision to try my ketogenic recipes, then I know that this gift is something you'll be really excited to hear about. But because it's such an amazing value, I can only give it to a select group of people. Anyone who clicks away will not be able to claim this gift, and they'll never see it again. It's only available right here, right now. So, you want to learn more about ketosis. You want to live a healthier life, and you want to feel comfortable and confident, right? And while these recipes are a great place to start, research shows that more than 93% of people who begin a ketogenic diet won't actually lose any weight. Yes, you heard that right. Almost all ketogenic diets fail. Here's why. While the recipes will work, if you don't have a step-by-step plan to follow, you won't follow through. A clear, simple meal plan is the only way people succeed on a ketogenic diet. And when they do, the results are incredible. Those people who really achieve ketosis in a rush and lose body fat daily have a well-structured and easy-to-follow meal plan they can stick to, with zero confusion and zero questions. I really want you to succeed. I don't want you to be in that 93%. That's why my special anniversary gift is something you should really take advantage of. In addition to the 21 keto recipes, you'll be receiving a foolproof 30-day ketogenic meal plan, the same one I use myself. With this plan as your guide, you will unlock the secret to losing at least 1 pound of body fat every 72 hours, like clockwork. Yes, you heard that right. The results you want, the ones that have made the ketogenic diet so popular, are possible. You just have to follow the plan step by step, copying the meals and foods provided, and implementing everything into your daily routine. When you have this blueprint, you can't do anything wrong. If you simply follow this plan, you will reach ketosis faster and burn more fat than ever before. And as part of this special anniversary gift, I'm also going to give you my ketogenic food journal. It's packed with a grocery-ready food list, so that you have zero keto confusions when it comes time to shop. This journal will simplify what you can and cannot eat, making the diet so simple that you really can't fail. I normally sell this food list on my website for $37, but today you will get it for free. Use this food journal and my ironclad 30-day step-by-step meal plan as your personal shortcut to getting ketosis and reach your dream weight. It'll work for you whether you are 30, 40, 50. In fact, the plan is even more effective for women over 30 years. But that's not even all. I really wanted to make my anniversary special, and that's why I'm also going to give you my 77 quick and easy keto desserts recipes cookbook, containing full nutritional information as well as easy-to-follow instructions to make the most delicious keto desserts. This recipe book is a dream for people who want to live a healthy lifestyle and satisfy their sweet tooth at the same time. 134 pages of mouth-watering keto dessert recipes, beautifully designed and fully instructional. That's probably the biggest keto dessert collection you can find online. Does that sound great? Yes? Oh, but there's still more. In addition to my 30-day keto meal plan, my grocery-ready food list, my 77 keto desserts cookbook, you'll also receive my 100 keto carb alternatives cheat sheet. Because let's be honest, ladies, ditching the carbs can be hard sometimes. And that's why I'm also going to give you my comprehensive keto carb alternative cheat sheet. 100 easy and tasty alternatives for your favorite carb recipes and treats, such as bread, rice, flour, pasta, lasagna, pizza crust, and so much more. When you have this valuable resource, you won't ever crave carbs again. Doesn't that sound amazing? Okay, so let's recap everything real quick. You'll receive my foolproof step-by-step 30-day ketogenic meal plan, which is used by thousands of women worldwide and proven to shed 3 to 7 pounds of body fat per week. And in addition to my meal plan, you'll also receive my grocery-ready keto food list, my 77 keto dessert recipes cookbook, and my 100 keto carbs alternatives cheat sheet. I know you will have success if you have these tools as your guide. And I wish I could offer them to everyone, but they are just too valuable to give away. That's why only people like you who are on my website on its anniversary can take advantage. So here's the special one-time offer that's only available right here, right now. I would normally ask people to pay $79 for all this information, but not today. My friend said $67 would be fair, but I really wanted to make the special. I considered $37. But then I decided to do something really crazy in honor of today's special anniversary. Right now, you get everything for just $27. But stop! That's not even all. You don't even have to pay for the whole price today. I am so confident that you'll reach your weight loss goals with my meal plan that I would love to offer you a $1 trial today. Yes, you heard right. You only pay one tiny little dollar today. And if you like the meal plan, and I bet you will, then you pay the rest after 7 days. Does that sound fair to you? And no, there are 0 hidden fees, 0 additional costs, and no recurring payment plans. It's just a great deal. And this incredible deal is only available today because it's my anniversary. And as soon as you leave this page, this offer goes away. So let's recap everything real quick. You'll receive my step-by-step 30-day ketogenic meal plan, my grocery-ready keto food list, my quick and easy keto desserts cookbook, and my 100 keto carb alternatives cheat sheet. Because it's my anniversary and I'm making you this special offer, you can test everything for one tiny little dollar today. And only if you absolutely love the materials and decide to keep it, you'll pay the rest after 7 days. It's my personal way to thank anyone who has visited my website and helped to make it such a huge success. You won't believe it. I couldn't do it myself in the beginning, but exactly this meal plan and these recipes have also been featured on ABC Network. And that's not even all. This keto meal plan was also featured on CBS, NBC, Fox News, and even WND News. All these major publishers can't be wrong, right? Plus, if you act today, you're also backed up by my lose weight or it's free money-back guarantee. You heard that right. Lose weight or it's free. You can go through my whole meal plan, grocery list, and bonuses for a full 60 days. And if you don't lose any weight or something bothers you, you'll get a complete no questions asked refund. Plus, you can keep everything as my gift to you. I am so confident that you will love my meal plan that I am able to offer such a guarantee. Don't miss out on your chance to get access to my proven 30-day keto meal plan and my comprehensive keto food journal. This one-time offer is only available right here, right now. As soon as you leave this page, the price for all this information will go back to $67. So click the button below this video and claim this incredible offer. Imagine how great it will feel when you step on the scale and see yourself 1 pound closer to your goal. My ketogenic meal plan is your personal blueprint for incredible weight loss. You don't have to count calories or keep track of proteins. I've done all the work for you. You just have to follow the steps. With this plan as your guide, you'll have simple and clear instructions, the same kind people pay hundreds of dollars for a nutritionist to create for them. Skip the website searches. Avoid the Facebook groups. Don't waste your time or energy trying to figure out how to do keto right, only to end up failing. Get everything you need to make keto work for you, and only for the price of a lunch. But you just have a few minutes left before this offer goes away. So click the button below this video and start transforming your body into a fat-burning machine. Good luck on your journey. I can't wait to see your results.